Well, hello folks. Let's try this again. Camera shut off or something. I've got the motor apart, the one with the bad right hand bearing. I was able to take the pump off. That did not budge. Maybe a little bit, but it wouldn't come off. So I don't know if the keyway is sheared off and jammed up against between the gear. Doesn't really matter because the gear has teeth missing. And over here you can see one of the keyways for the little pump gear was sheared. So that's just going to stay in there. Unfortunately, out of all the motors, that is actually the best looking area for the breather. You know, got 3 motors, and that the bottom end that's the worst has the best looking breather tunnel. But yeah, you can see there. So I did that. Like I say, saved the jugs with the pistons in the jugs and put them over here. So I saved those. Pistons are in the jugs. I'm going to clean them up a little bit on the inside and see how they look. Let's see. I got the saved the little clips in the clip in there and the wrist pin. That looks in there. I'll have to have you guys' expert opinion. You know, and the other one's about the same. So, like I say, I'll save those. That way they can just be put on and utilized. I don't know the compression, but, yeah, you know, when you're on a budget, when you got the whole thing there put on, the heads took off. I haven't put any liquid in them. Put a spark plug and then put some liquid in, like gas, or gas probably is the best because it's thinner than water, and just see if anything leaks out underneath. So those are in there, and the rest of it's down there. Saved what I could. Was that? I forget where I put the other part. Oh, the other. Yeah, the rest of it's here. So, lots of good spare parts and stuff, and, well, that's what I was doing today. Got that done. I will catch you guys later, and be safe, and by golly, if it's not raining out there. And I'll see you later. Peace. See you guys. Bye-bye.